Hey there, FeltTube. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Christine, and in this video, we are going to feature the Bucilla kit called Love is in the Air, or Love in the Air. And it is a felt wreath, so I'm going to try my hand again at another wreath and see how it goes. But yeah, it's February. It's February 3rd right now, 2023. And I don't know how much I'm going to have time to work on it this month, but I would like to get it started and at least get a few of the hearts stitched up because they're adorable. Yeah, okay, so let's go ahead and unbox this thing, open it up, and see what's inside. Well, guess what? It's June. Yes, it's June, and I'm just now getting back to record an update on what I got done on this back in February. Maybe I even worked on it a little bit in March. I can't remember, but I sort of just stopped working on it because I wasn't feeling the Valentine vibe anymore. But I realized that I never recorded any update to show you what I got done on it. So I'm going to do that right now, just to have that so that when I do bring this back out again, which will probably not be until February of 2024, but I did want to show you that I did get a lot done on it. So I'm not sure if I showed you that I cut out all of the leaves, and there's a lot of them. So these are going to all need to be embroidered and sequined. So that's going to take some time, but they're ready to go in case I ever feel like working on some of those. They're ready to go. And what else did I do? So I really like to cut felt. So that's kind of one of the things I love when I open up a kit. I just love to cut all the pieces. Sometimes I leave the numbers on and sometimes I don't. I probably really didn't need to leave the numbers on these because it's pretty obvious. Looking at the picture, you can kind of figure out, which hearts go where. But I left the numbers on. So I've got those cut out with their back and front pinned together. So these are going to be all the different hearts. And then like these, I know these go together. So there's the 3 pieces for that heart. Another heart there. I mean, look at all the sequins that need to be done on these. It's going to be so pretty. Got some more of the pink hearts here, like that. Some of these little ones, and I believe some of the little ones are going to go on like that heart, like that. I'll have to see. And then, let's see. Oh, there's a lot. There's a lot of little hearts. One of these probably, I'm guessing, one of those probably goes on there like that. So, yes, hearts galore. And I actually did get one heart completely done here, and it has a chain stitch around the edge. I had never done that before, I don't think. So, it looks okay. It could be, you can definitely tell this was the part I did at the end because it looks much better than when I started. I had to kind of figure out how to get it to where, that they looked sort of uniform. So yes, I got better as it went on. What else did I do? Okay, so it has all these little flowers. I won't take them all out, but there's these flowers that all needed to have some French knots done on them. I don't like about those is that there's just no way to get this, you cut them because they kind of, I think, are supposed to, I don't really know what you're supposed to do with that black line. Let me see. I mean, I don't know, on here I guess you can kind of see that, I don't know. I'm not too worried about it, it doesn't matter if you can see the black lines. And I did all the French knots on these little blue flowers as well. So I did get a lot done on this. And then I did all the daisies. Look at how pretty those are. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. They're so sparkly. I don't know if it's capturing the sparkle, but they sure are sparkly in real life. So got that done. And then something I had never done before is these little roses that you're supposed to fold up. And I had to Google or YouTube how to do that because I couldn't figure it out from their instructions. And yeah, they're kind of fiddly, but easy to do. I can kind of give you a rough idea of how you do it. Let me take that pin out. So this is what it looks like when it comes in the kit. When it's flat, that's how it looks when it comes on the felt, and you have to cut it all out around. And it seems like the obvious thing that you do is start from the middle, and I kept fiddling with it to start from the middle, and it just wasn't looking right. Well, then after I Googled it, I realized that what you're actually supposed to do is start from the end. So you just start like this, and it takes a bit just to kind of figure out, maybe rolling it a couple of times to see how it looks, how it's supposed to look. But you just kind of do this, and you roll it around. Now I would probably tack it as I go. Like you can take a few stitches, try to keep the bottom kind of flat, but I know I had to do it a few times to get it to look good. But you see how it's starting to look like a rose? And kind of push that bottom up in there like that. And you wrap it around. And then when you get the way, I try to do it like if you start to see that the petals are lining up with each other, you can start again and make it so that each time they go around they're more, like offset. Because see, they're starting to kind of match up a little bit too much there. But you play around with it as best you can, and then when you get all the way down to the bottom, or to the end, not the bottom, there's this little kind of flap right here that's supposed to go, I guess, along the bottom of it there, like that. I'm sorry, I'm not in camera, but this little flap right here just goes kind of flat against the bottom, and then you just do what you can to pin it together, and then you have this cute little rose. I think it's adorable. That actually looks pretty good. I'm just gonna stick the pin down in there like this. There. Anyway, you get the gist. That's how the little flower looks. So cute. Okay, and like I said, it's June. I'm probably not gonna get working on this kit again until probably next February, so that's probably when you're gonna see this. I don't know if I work on it before then. I'll be sure to record any progress that I have. And I'll check in with you when I have something else to show. See you soon.